Welcome to another video. In this video, we will read data from Firebase Cloud Firestore. In case you haven't watched the previous video, watch it first as this is the continuation of that video. I have added few more documents in Cloud Firestore. So we will look into few ways to read data from Firestore. So here, we have instance of entire Cloud Firestore, and then we have the reference to the hello collection in collection reference. We will use both of them to read data. So, collection reference document name is daily.get.on success listener. So once we have specified the document name, we need to use get to get the entire document. Now, we will use toast to display the city name inside the document. The document data will be inside data snapshot. So toast data snapshot.get. Here, we can use get data or we can use get and specify the field name. I will use get, field name is city name. Dot to string. I will comment the code related to uploading document. Now, I will use document snapshot.getData. You can see the difference here. Now, I will use Firebase instance and specify the path to document. I will comment the currently used code. Firebase Firestore document, hello is the collection and daily is the document. Get on success listener. Or else I will use on complete listener. If task dot is successful, which means we have got the document. Toast, the data will be inside task.get result. So, task.getResult.getData. To string. Now, we will use specific condition, and if the condition matches, then only we will read the document. We will use where equal to for this purpose. So, collection reference dot where equal to. Now, we need to specify the field name and the field value here. So I will give field name as name and value as person3. So we will only read those documents where name is person3 and we will display the age. We can get multiple documents where this condition matches. Get on success listener. The query document snapshots object contains all the retrieved documents. So we will use a for loop to loop through those documents. In this case, we only have one document. For query document snapshot, query document snapshots. Toast document dot to object. As seen in previous videos, we have used contact model class to upload data. So, to object, context model dot class. Get age. Since age is a number, we need to surround this with string.value of. We can also use snapshot.get, field name will be age. Now, we will change value to person4 inside where equal to. Now, we will use snapshot.getAge inside toast instead of toObject.